my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the fight with you. Just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along.
Hi everyone, good morning. So today is day 1 in Pondicherry and we are staying in the hotel called Villa Heritage, and it's such a nice hotel. We inquired and we got to know that it is a 2-decade-old hotel. So it's very nice to stay in such a old kind of vibe. Right now is 10 AM in the morning and we are having our breakfast. The place where we are having our breakfast is so colorful, so poppy and has so good vibes. Just have a look around. In Pondicherry has officially begun. The first place we are heading towards is Rock Beach, and it's just a kilometer from our hotel, so we decided to walk around.
I want to be there and baby dancing.
We have reached Rock Beach. Right behind me is Lee Cafe. This is the cafe, this is the statue, and here is the beach.
Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty.
We are at Lee Cafe right now and we have ordered 2 different types of coffees, 1 cake, and here we both are enjoying the meal. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है यहाँ पे. We are done with Lee Cafe. It was quite nice. Ambience was nice, view was nice, but the food was okay. It was not that good for me, at least. Finally, our scooty has arrived. It's a Vespa. Hi Rahul, finally मेरी मुराद पूरी हुई एक Vespa राइड करने की.
At all.
Did the Vespa petrol डलवा लिया है and now we are heading towards Orowell. So stay tuned.
देखेगी भी नहीं साइड में क्योंकि इसे बहुत डर लगता है. ये हवा कहती है क्या, सुन ओ मेरी जाना, मेरी जाना. Yeah, come on everybody. ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं इस चैनल को रन कर रहा हूँ डर्टी शूज, बिकॉज स्वीटी आराम से बाइक चला रही है, स्कूटी चला रही है. और
guys, we have reached Orowell, and the first place in Orowell we are visiting is a Saachi Mandir, which is quite popular and quite famous. You must have known already.
I was starving, now I'm eating till my belly full. From up north, we get cold, you need a heavy coat. Scared to end up on the shirt before a centerfold.
कितने का लिया है? पास फ्री है क्या? ओके, जी पास माथे मंदिर.
For no sleep, this is real, no tweet. My
रिश्तों से भी रूह बदलते हैं.
I don't want no combo, I want checks. I don't want the second.
Because right behind me is this banyan tree, and this is so massive. Look at these roots, they all have become separate trees.
I'm a rat. I've been moving like a hot mess. Want that crumble, better know you'll need a check from me. Can pay to play, the sun is still won't get us.
Finally, after walking 2 kilometers, we are getting hopes of seeing this Matri Mandir.
Tell them run it all. I wake up. I wake up.
Matri Mandir is almost 2 kilometers from all the cafes which are built in here. From the main area, I mean to say that. And you have facility of free shuttle and free bus for to and fro from Matri Mandir. So you can avail the facility. And if you don't want to go by bus, then obviously you can walk from the green pathways which are made especially for the pedestrians. So either way you can go. We have come back from Matri Mandir and now the plan is we are heading towards some cafe. Let's have lunch. Guys, we found such a cool store which promotes this concept of upcycling instead of recycling, and just have a look what the store have stored.
Put in my hours, send the invoice and they pay me. I need 6 rings like MJ and Tom.
Yeah, in Oroville, and we are in a shop called Start Upcycling.
Okay.
So we started this shop 1 year ago. We are 11 upcyclers from Oroville working with waste. So the waste, paper. So for example, I'm doing this kind of things here. So it's
From Tetra packing
yeah, it's a chair made out of
Like juices.
kind of bricks. So
Okay.
I take one brick. I put one in one, it's full of air, and I make panels.
Okay.
And I put paper around and I glue them together.
Wow.
And,
very comfortable.
but you have to lay down.
Can be outdoor.
Yeah, it's very strong. Cassette tape.
Okay.
Okay, it's old cassette tape. So Oak is knitting this cassette tape and making hats, making different
music
items.
hat.
Okay.
About it, okay?
Thank you for your time and so much of explanation. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you for
Okay, bye.
Okay.
Thank you. So guys, we are done with Oroville and now we're finding a good cafe to eat ourselves because सुबह से कुछ नहीं खाया है ढंग से, shakes पे जिंदा है, cold coffee पे जिंदा है. We are going to Tanto Italian restaurant. Let's see कैसा होता है.
That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right?
कितना मन था टैटो इटालियन फूड खाने का, लेकिन टैटो इतनी जल्दी क्लोज हो गया. टाइम ही कितना हुआ है अभी? 5:30? 5 बजे बंद हो गया यहाँ पे रेस्टोरेंट.
Is out of line, turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably dollar sign.
और अभी में बहुत सारे कैफेज ढूंढने के बाद हमें कुछ नहीं मिला बिकॉज 5 o'clock वहाँ पे ऑलमोस्ट सारे कैफेज बंद हो जाते हैं. तो वी आर बैक टू रॉक बीच नाउ और रॉक बीच पे ये कैफे आया, डोंट रिमेंबर द नेम. सो वी आर गोइंग देयर एंड लेट्स सी वी कैन फाइंड समथिंग टू eat and treat.
With me, that's a deal, right? With me, that's a deal, right? With me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me. That's
So guys, we are sitting at this One Rui Saffron. It is a kind of resto bar and nachos, noodles, some fish, some chili chicken, and it's Rahul. I'll just come back to our hotel and we're just taking a rest for an hour and then we'll again move out somewhere. We have not planned anything yet. Hi everybody, it's 8 p.m. and we took almost 1 hour long nap. It's like बिल्कुल भी पता नहीं चला. We were so tired. So I am all ready and we decided to go to this cafe called trying this Hope Cafe. It looks so amazing and so artistic, so we are trying this cafe. Let's go. as a welcome drink, they gave us 3 drinks, and this is made up of hibiscus called love, and this is kind of lemon ginger happiness, and this one is, I don't know, whatever it is, happiness, joy and love. So this is the concept behind the welcome drinks they're giving. That's all for this. So that's all for the day, and see you tomorrow.
Bye, good night, see you.
Bye, good night, see you tomorrow, bye. Hi everybody, a very good morning. Today is day 2 in Pondicherry, and for today we are planning for the Paradise Beach. Let's see what the day has for us. Let's go.
Hey guys, hello. So we are heading towards Paradise Beach. The weather is not so good. It's very hot and humid. It's better to bring sunscreen lotion. We are already tan. So it's around 12 kilometers from the city of Pondicherry. We have already checked out from the hotel, and we have rented the bike till evening. So after visiting Paradise Beach, we'll be giving this back to the rental person, and then we'll move towards Chennai.
We are at the place right now where we can book our ferry to Paradise Beach. Last time I went by ferry, and if you haven't watched that video, the link is right here. You can go and watch. But this time we decided to go by two-wheeler, by road. That's what I mean. Currently it is still 5 kilometers away from this place, and we're just having a break. We are having coconut water. Bye now.
Understand things that we want, but you keep coming back. I want love you don't know, so why are you here? Yeah. So that you don't know where my heart is at.
So guys, this is like a borderline between for those who are coming through ferry or those who are coming on their own. So it's like 128 rupees per person for entering into the area where they drop like ferry people, because we have some restaurants, some rain dance. Hi everybody. So after a good bath, we are sitting in a restaurant here, and we have ordered one veg biryani and some cool drink. We are spending some good time here, so till then enjoy some time lapse which I've captured.
Lo dejé todo por tener solo a esa mujer tan bobo. Me rompió el corazón y yo la dejé. Y yo me enamoré. Perdón por enamorarme.
So guys, the update time, we had a great bath in the ocean, then in the rain dance. The charges for the rain dance approximately rupees 50 per person for half an hour. But yeah, it is good and all cleaned up while having fun. And there's a hit place if you are visiting Chennai or Pondicherry. Well now, the plan is some cafes to have lunch. Well, I guess Pondicherry is all about beaches, cafes, some cafe, I don't know what it was going to be. Guys, if you're watching us So if you're watching us, you know that whenever we go, we always buy these fridge magnets for us as a souvenir. And here we have bought some Pondicherry fridge magnets. This is the Bhaiya Seashell. Hi Bhaiya. Bhaiya, say hi.
Hi.
So we are coming, you can buy magnets. He will give a good discount to you. Hi everybody, we are again at the Hope Cafe and we have ordered some broccoli, which is a kind of pasta, and some drinks for both of us. We are just having kind of lunch. Meanwhile, we are having this meal. Just go and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching this video. And that's all for this video. This video is about my 2-day trip to Pondicherry. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you enjoyed, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.
Y más con esa mujer te rompieron y dañaron tu inocencia. Ahora ya no creo en nadie, solo creo en mi independencia. Todo por tener solo a esa mujer.